Hey there, friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that affects us all, keeping our living spaces clean and comfortable. But let's be real. If you're dealing with chronic pain, mobility challenges, or just the natural aging process, cleaning can feel like climbing a mountain. But what if I told you there are ways to make it easier? Today, we're exploring 10 cleaning hacks that are not only effective but also gentle on your body. Let's make cleaning less of a chore and more of a breeze. And if you're new here, click that subscribe button so you never miss any of our helpful videos. Number 1, dish duty made easy. Dishes seem to pile up no matter how many times you do them, don't they? Well, here's a game-changing trick to tackle this never-ending pile without putting too much strain on your body. Rinse your dishes immediately after use. This might sound like an extra step, but trust me, it's worth it. Rinsing removes food particles and prevents them from hardening onto your plates, pots, and pans. Imagine trying to scrub off dried cake on your favorite china. Not fun, right? So whether you have a dishwasher or prefer washing by hand, rinsing is your secret weapon. It makes the whole cleaning process quicker and gentler on you. And if you do wash by hand, a quick wipe with a damp towel before loading the dishwasher can save you from heavy scrubbing later. Number 2, lighten the load. Cleaning bottles and sprays are essential. But have you noticed how heavy they can get? Over time, hauling them up and down, especially if you have mobility issues, can become quite a task. Luckily, there's an easy fix for this. Transfer your cleaning solutions into smaller, lightweight bottles. This way, you won't have to deal with the weight of the original packaging, making it much easier to hold and maneuver. You can use measuring cups and funnels for an easy transfer. For even more convenience, consider using pre-moistened cleaning wipes. No bottles to carry, no mess to clean up. They're perfect for quick cleanups. These wipes are great for smaller jobs, or for those days when bending over and reaching for cleaning supplies is a bit challenging. Number 3, microfiber magic. Microfiber cloths are the superheroes of the cleaning world, aren't they? These soft little wonders are not only gentle on surfaces, but they're also highly effective at trapping dust and dirt without just pushing it around. Whether you're dusting furniture, wiping down countertops, or cleaning windows, microfiber is your best friend. In fact, they're so versatile, you can use them damp with a little cleaning solution for a streak-free shine on mirrors and glass. And if you need to reach those high places, no problem. Simply wrap a microfiber cloth around a broom handle, and voila! You've got yourself an extendable cleaning wand. No more overreaching or using those wobbly step stools. Number 4, baking soda, the versatile cleaner. Baking soda, the superstar of our grandma's pantries. This humble ingredient is not only fantastic for your baked goods, but it's also a powerhouse when it comes to cleaning. When it comes to tackling kitchen grease or freshening up your fridge, baking soda is your go-to hero. And did you know that mixing baking soda with vinegar creates a fizzy concoction that's perfect for unclogging slow drains? It's like a party in your pipes. This natural approach is safer than harsh chemicals and works wonders on various surfaces and fabrics. Plus, it's incredibly affordable. Who would have thought that something so simple could clean so well? Number 5, laundry simplified. Doing laundry can be a bit of a production, can't it? Well, here are a couple of tricks to simplify the process. First, consider using multiple baskets. Label them whites, colors, and delicates. This helps sort your clothes as you go. No more bending over and painstakingly sorting on laundry day. Secondly, a rolling laundry cart is a fantastic investment. It cuts down on heavy lifting and makes transporting clothes much easier. Some carts even come with removable baskets, which means you can load directly from the washer to the dryer without any bending or strain. And here's a bonus tip. Add a scoop of baking soda to your laundry for naturally soft fabrics and to eliminate any lingering odors. Your clothes will smell fresh and feel great. Number 6, folding laundry carts. Now let's talk about a game changer for laundry day, folding carts. These nifty devices are a godsend, especially if mobility is a challenge. No more struggling with piles of freshly laundered clothes. Folding carts make the process smoother and less stressful. Look for carts with smooth rolling wheels so you can easily navigate through your home. Sturdy handles ensure a firm grip while you move your laundry from point A to point B. Some models even feature removable baskets. This allows you to load clothes directly from the washer and dryer without any lifting or bending. They're available in various designs, sizes, and materials, so you can find the one that suits your needs and preferences best. Number 7, dusting techniques. Dusting doesn't have to be an all-hands-on-deck affair every single day. Try this. Give your furniture a light coating of dusting spray. This creates a protective barrier that minimizes dust buildup. Then use pre-treated dusting wipes to trap any remaining dust. No more spreading dust around your room while you clean. The wipes effectively pick it up and trap it. Just ensure you replace the wipes regularly. This approach keeps your home fresh and clean without requiring constant dusting. Number 8. Breaking down cleaning tasks. Deep cleaning your entire house might sound like a great idea, but if mobility is a concern, or if you're dealing with other health issues, it can quickly become overwhelming. Instead, break it down. Dedicate 10 to 15 minutes each day to cleaning one small area such as a countertop, a shelf, or a set of drawers. This approach keeps the workload manageable and prevents fatigue or strain. Setting a timer can help you stay focused on the task at hand without feeling like you're tackling an endless cleaning marathon. By breaking it down, you ensure that cleaning remains a part of your routine without causing any stress or discomfort. Number 9. Convenient trash disposal. Having mobility issues or joint pain can make simple things like taking out the trash a real chore. You may find yourself dreading the task because of the strain involved in carrying heavy bags and the awkward bends to reach those bins. But here's a clever solution that can significantly help. Invest in several small trash bins. Place them strategically in different rooms, especially near where you spend most of your time. This reduces the need to walk long distances with full trash bags, minimizing strain on your body. Smaller, lighter bins are easier to empty and manage, making the overall cleaning experience less taxing. Additionally, consider foot pedal trash cans. These allow you to open and close the lid, hands-free, reducing bending and strain on your joints. Number 10. Consistent cleaning routine. Maintaining a consistent cleaning routine is a game changer, but starting a routine can be daunting. So here's a simplified approach. Commit to just 10 to 15 minutes of cleaning every day. Even if your house isn't spotless, this approach prevents overwhelming messes and keeps tasks manageable. It makes cleaning feel like a habit rather than an occasional marathon. Set reminders or use a cleaning checklist to stay on track. Breaking down your routine into smaller, consistent steps ensures that cleaning becomes a part of your daily rhythm without causing stress or strain. And there you have it, 10 cleaning hacks that are not only easy, but also incredibly effective. Remember, it's not about doing everything at once. It's about making small, manageable changes that add up to a cleaner, healthier living space over time. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have some easy cleaning hacks of your own, share them in the comments below. Everyone can benefit from a good cleaning tip, right? Stay safe, take care, and until next time, keep it clean and easy. Thanks for watching.